Unwrap the Joy, your ultimate holiday gift guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a festive and very useful topic: holiday gift guides. Whether you're a native speaker looking to refine your language skills or an English learner eager to expand your vocabulary, this video will unwrap the meaning behind holiday gift guides. Let's explore how this phrase is a key part of holiday traditions around the world, and why it might be something you want to get familiar with, especially during the festive season. A holiday gift guide is a compilation of gift ideas curated and presented with the intention of simplifying your holiday shopping. It's like a map that leads you to the perfect gift for your loved ones, colleagues, or even pets. These guides are tailored to fit a wide range of interests, budgets, and relationships, ensuring there's something for everyone. They can be found in various formats, including blog posts, magazine articles, videos, and social media posts, each brimming with suggestions to make your gift-giving thoughtful and effortless. Gift guides are incredibly valuable for several reasons. First, they save time by narrowing down the vast sea of options to a select, curated list of gifts. This is particularly helpful during the holidays when time is of the essence. Secondly, they provide inspiration for those who are unsure of what to buy, offering ideas that you might not have considered on your own. Lastly, holiday gift guides often highlight trending products or unique finds, giving you the opportunity to gift something special that stands out. Using a holiday gift guide is simple. Start by considering the interests of the person you're buying for. Are they a tech enthusiast? A foodie? A book lover? Next, look for a guide that matches these interests. As you explore, take notes on items that catch your eye and fit within your budget. Don't forget to check for reviews and availability, as popular items may sell out quickly during the holiday season. Lastly, remember that the thought counts more than the price tag. A well-chosen gift that shows you understand the recipient's likes and dislikes is always appreciated. For those of you inspired to create your own holiday gift guide, here are a few tips to get started. Know your audience. Tailor your guide to the preferences of your readers or viewers. Be diverse. Include a variety of gift ideas to cater to different tastes and budgets. Provide details. Offer insight into why each item makes a great gift, including potential uses and benefits. Include links. If you're publishing your guide online, direct links to where each item can be purchased can be incredibly helpful, though we won't include links in this video. That wraps up our guide to understanding and making the most of holiday gift guides. We hope this video has not only enlightened you on the subject but also inspired you to either use a guide for your holiday shopping or create one to help others. Remember, the holiday season is about spreading joy and showing appreciation for those around us, and a thoughtful gift is a wonderful way to express that. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a joyful and stress-free holiday shopping experience.